all of the different textures in here, but see how I actually did fill that in a little bit with grout. So I want to make sure that I get that out So welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm back in my entryway and I am about to be done with this, or at least I need to be done with this. And today I am finally grouting the travertine tiles at my front door. I actually completed the tile work probably about 3 weeks ago, maybe even closer to a month. But it took me some time to get back to this just because there's a lot of life things going on. But I really need to finish up this entryway. I'm really excited about how it's all coming together, and I really can't wait to do the final reveal for you. And I honestly really love it. Like, I'm so proud of how everything has all come together. I honestly went to my husband and I had to just share with him, like, I'm really pleased with the outcome. And like the vision that I saw for the space and how it's all now coming together is it makes my heart sing so much. So there's still a lot of tedious work to do in the area. And before I do the final reveal, of course, I want to clean up all of that. I've been grouting just for a little while this morning, and I do like the color of the grout. This is a sand grout, and so it is really grainy. And so initially I was like, oh my God, is this the right grout? But because I do want it to have this really organic and natural feel, I actually do like it. And you know, it gives you this feel of like being outdoors even though you're indoors, because it's not like really polished. The look that I'm going for ultimately in this space and really throughout my entire home is what you would call an organic modern organic, or even rustic modern. And it's really my favorite style in a home, but it's what I've been drawn to, I would probably say, for the last 10 years. And when you come into my home, what you will see is a lot of natural elements. So stone and wood and metals and leather and, you know, different types of natural materials, linens, and let's get back to the video. This space, unfortunately, took the longest for me to start. I sat on these tiles for months before I could even lay the first one. There was water damage under the hardwood flooring and subfloor right at the front door. That needed to be removed and repaired, and that was above my skill set. Y'all can still walk up and down the steps. Where should I stop at today? Like right here or here?
I mean, little ones can jump on the step, but you know, you have to think of everybody.
Yeah. But like me and Kai would just hop, but right there is good. Naja's not gonna hop. She's scared.
Should not.
One thing I do want to mention is that one of the reasons why I love this tile so much is because each tile is so unique and different. And the thing that I want to mention is that there are some tiles that have different shapes and actual indentions and holes in the tiles. And what I want to do is make sure that I don't fill those areas in with grout. So this is a perfect example here. So what I'm going to do is make sure that the grout goes deep down into the actual line where the two tiles come together, and then make sure that I leave this completely, you know, not filled in or completely open. This is another one here, so pretty. You can see all of the different textures in here, but see how I actually did fill that in a little bit with grout. So I want to make sure that I get that out so that you can see all of the textures. And I have quite a few like this. So just as much as I was ready to get this project going, I needed to be patient until the space was ready for me. I decided to install it myself after reaching out to a few contractors who maybe felt the job was either too small or couldn't see the vision. Thankfully, I did have the vision, and I could see how these stone floors would give the space a more custom feel, but it would also help to ground it and add some warmth. And with the soft and earthy tones, it will bring in a sense of calm and depth without overwhelming the space. And even the natural textures would make it feel more authentic rather than overly styled. But I also knew that breaking up a flooring can make a space feel smaller. So I intentionally chose to use colors that would blend together to avoid interrupting the eye and allowing the space to flow. Round it and smaller, but like if that's right up against here, but the other ones, not so much, but it's still like I have a street, still looks like I have a street line. You would have. I've held the vision for this space for over 2 years now, and I'm finally here sharing the most gratifying part. I've always known since a little girl that I was connected to how spaces made me feel, and in my own space, everything had a place, and when things were out of order, I felt it. I think life got bigger, and the need for connection felt smaller, and I stopped honoring something that had always been true for me, my space, and how it made me feel. And this is why I'm so grateful for my healing journey, because it brought me back to myself. And I've now learned that both the space around us and the space within us are one and the same. They work together. And when those spaces are ignored, when those spaces are out of alignment, at some point you feel it. So the passion that I feel for creating healing spaces will forever show up in everything I do. From what you see on this channel, the work I do with my clients, and in my book, Beyond Detox, a story of transformation where I go so much deeper. Because creating a space that truly supports you isn't extra, it's foundational. It's part of how we take care of ourselves on a deeper level. So everything I design from this point on is rooted in that understanding. Not just how a space looks, but how it supports the person who lives in it. Because at the end of the day, it's all about who we've always been, and choosing to hold and honor that space unapologetically. So the way that you see yourself, the way that you hold your vision, the way that you follow through, even when it would be easier not to, that is the evolution of design therapy.